Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down tech tips in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to reset your Mint account. Mint is a fantastic app for managing your finances, but sometimes you might forget your password or get locked out. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can get back on track in just a few minutes. First things first, let's talk about why you might need to reset your account. The most common reasons are a forgotten password, suspicious activity that locks your account, or simply wanting to start fresh for security. Whatever the case, resetting is quick and easy. To begin, open your web browser and head to the Mint website at www.mint.com. If you're using the Mint app on your phone, make sure you're logged out first. Once on the site, locate the Login button. Right below it, you'll see a Forgot Password or Trouble Logging In link. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number linked to your Mint account. Type it in and hit Submit. Mint will then send a verification code or a password reset link to that email or phone. Be sure to check your inbox, spam folder, or messages if it doesn't show up right away. Once you have the code or link, follow the on-screen instructions. For the code, enter it on the website, and then create a new, strong password. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. If you're using the link, it will take you directly to a page to set your new password. After you've set your new password, try logging back into your Mint account. You should be good to go. If you run into any issues, like not receiving the code, double-check your contact info in Mint's help section or contact their support team directly. And there you have it. Your Mint account is reset and ready for use. This simple process helps protect your financial data and keeps things running smoothly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.